Hello and welcome back to Coveya. Today we're taking a look at the Powered Expandaveyor. Suitable for manufacturing, logistics and distribution, the Powered Expandaveyor is perfectly suited for truck loading and unloading, distribution centres, packaging, mobile assembly lines, shipping and receiving. With a capacity of 150 kilograms per linear metre and an adjustable height between 724 and 946 millimetres, the Powered Expandaveyor is an excellent choice to increase productivity by automating the transports of goods and materials, freeing up workers to focus on other tasks. Available in 450, 600 and 750 millimetre widths and at any length to fit your application, the Expandaveyor can operate at speeds of up to 36 metres per minute. Some of the other features include continuous duty multiple drive motors, self-tracking, adjustable heights, square tubing legs, 50mm rollers, 50mm side plates and casters with brakes. Feel free to reach out to us here at Coveya to learn more about the Powered Expandaveyor. Thank you.